how are you doing? It's Murad Sultan, the mathematical teacher, Canadian research teacher. Now he's live view to let you, let's say, understand how to solve polynomial to the power 7. Okay, so now it's time then to think again. Okay, I'll just cancel this one like this. Okay, so then we come back to now. It's time then to think to think okay, okay, just a moment. Yes, yes, okay. Hello, everybody. How are you doing? It's Murad Sultan Ezouidi, the mathematical teacher. Okay, I will show this first. My colleagues, the professors. Okay, okay. So we told that here, learners, in this example, you are going to solve polynomial to the power 7. Okay, you have a polynomial to the power 7. Okay, and you are going to understand how can you find out, let's say, the roots of any polynomial to the power 7. Here you can see this is learning the polynomial to the power 7, x raised to the power 7 minus 14x6 plus 4x raised to the power 5 minus 281 x4 minus 3128 x cubed plus 4680 x squared plus 23,328 x minus 37,777. So this one, we are going to solve these learners. Okay. So it's time to not think of it. Okay. So try to solve this. Prepare your papers and your sheets and your calculators like your mathematical teacher Murad Sultan Ezouidi is doing. Okay. So that you can check at the same time when Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi give you the roots, the exact roots with no estimation or with no approximation method. Okay, the roots will give you the exact value of these of this polynomial to the power 7. Okay, so now learning the recording time to think of it. Okay, okay, okay. So we told that this is a polynomial to the power 7. Now I'm going to set k equal minus 1, find s minus 1, which is in fact equal to 1. Then I'm going to set k equal 0 by discriminant formula. Okay, this is called, let's say, the discriminant formula of Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, and then you should also set k equal 1, find the 0, which is equal to 0, simply because the sum of x roots has to be equal to 0. Then you should set k equal 2 in the discriminant formula, and k equal 3, and k equal 4, and k equal 5, and k equal 6, so that you can find a new 7-degree polynomial equation. Now learn this is a simple calculation. This is my discriminant formula, or according to Mr. Sultan, according to me, the Tunisian researcher, the Tunisian mathematical researcher teacher is now applying his theorem to solve polynomial to the power 7. Okay, let's say if you want to travel whatsoever, you'll never find this formula. Okay, because it's not easy to reach this level of thinking or of finding, let's say, the discriminant formula. Okay, this is Murad Sultan Ezouidi, the mathematical teacher, is here to explain his research for you that you can find the roots of the seventh degree ordinary polynomial equation and the x roots of the 7th-degree new polynomial equation. Now, learners, as we talked before, we should set k equal 0 by distinct formula to find what? To find s minus 1 by convention, s minus 1 for the I. Now we continue let's say for k equal 1 means you are going to set k equal 1 in my discriminant formula. You will obtain immediately the last one that had been derived when k equal 1, that is n minus n times a 0 for the two. This one, in fact, is going to be 0. Why? Simply because the sum of the x roots has to be equal to 0. Okay, meaning that S0 for the R equal x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 equal to 0. Okay, because S0 is the second topic of my seventh new degree polynomial, and here in the formula when k equal 1 is going to be 0. Okay, now just substitution here, learners. This is L0 is 14, L1 is 84, L2 is 281, and L3 is negative 3,128, and L4 is negative 4,680, and L5 is 23,328, and L6 according to you is 37,676. Now learn the use of calculator and try to find the value of S0 for the R. So it's going to be to 0. You can see continuing evaluating S1 when k equals 0 means you are going to do exactly put or substitute k equal 2 in the discrete formula of Murad Sultan Ezouidi, this one, so that after developing this, we will obtain the last one, which is equal to negative combination 1 choose 1, combination n choose 2, times 0 whole squared plus n squared times n1. This one is in fact the second discriminant for or the second coefficient of my new 7 degree polynomial. Okay, so just here substitution learners, L0 is 14 because this is L0 over q squared, and n is 7, that's why you put 7, plus 7 squared simply because highest power is 7, times L1 learners is 84. Now you are going to calculate this, we will get a equal to 0 to n. Now learners, to find k, we should evaluate uh, in the discriminant formula of mean and the value of S2 minus 1, which is S3 minus 1, which is S2, okay, because K is 3. Then the sum from 0 to 3, combination n minus r, the n inside the part, choose 3 minus r, n raised to the power r, and n is 7. Why? Because highest power is n. But we are going to find the fourth discriminant, the fourth coefficient of the new substitute from the equation in terms of n, and L0 for 2, and L1, L2, and so on. After that, we should replace n with 7 and L0 for the 14, and the coefficients are given like that. Okay. Now learn, I'm going to focus on the last one after developing it. Okay. So it will be learners this one. S2, here it will be 2 combination, n to 3, and 0 for 2 to the power 3 minus combination minus 1 to 1, and squared times n 0 for 2 times n1 of all the 2, of course, plus n cubed and 2 for the 2. Now just the replacement, you will replace L0 for the 2 with 14, and L1 here with 84, and L2 with 281, and N with 7. Now we will get the value of S2. So the value of S2 here, learners, is going to be equal to 7 raised to the power 3. You can use the calculator. We proceed. Now let's find the value of S3. Find S3, learners, we should let's say put k equal 4 in the disconnect formula. So after dividing this and connecting like terms, or the term that is have something in common, I will obtain the last one. So S3 equal negative combination 3 to 1 times combination n to 4, n is 7, L0 for the q is to 4, L0 learnings is 14, plus combination n minus 2, the n is 7, n squared, n is 7, of course, L0 for the q is 14, L1 is 84, minus combination n minus 2 is 1, and cube L0 for the q times to the power 1, or raised to the power 1 times n to the power 2 plus n raised to the power 4 times n to the power 2. So these calculation, just you can use the calculator and you'll obtain as 3 in fact equal to 0. Okay, these are the coefficients of your original seven-dimensional equation. You replace them up to what? Up to L3 because the last term is L3. This is L3. Okay, we are going to use 14, 84, 281, and negative 2,120. Now we obtain now the value of a string shape 0. We continue to let's say start solving this polynomial. To find the roots of the original seven-degree equation, you should find another polynomial, okay, that has a big touch, okay, to the first one, and then solve for it to find the x-roots. After finding the x-roots, go back to your original seven-degree equation and just replace and all right roots such that k belongs to -1 and 1 to 7 and -1 to 6 is the sum of roots, which is again equal to 2 plus the x roots of new 7-degree equation divided by n is the number, the highest power of the polynomial I want to work with. Okay. Now I will use my discrete formula, this one. So after calculating or developing this or expanding this formula when k equals 5, I will obtain immediately S4 equal the last part which is combination 4 choose 1 times combination n choose 5 L0 for 2 to power 5 minus combination n minus 2 choose 3 n squared L0 for 2 is to the power 3 times L1 for 2 plus combination n minus 2 choose 2 and cubed L0 for 2 squared times L2 for 2 minus combination n minus 4 choose 1 n raised to the power 4 times L0 for 2 raised to the power 1 times L3 for the cube plus n raised to the power 5 times L4. Okay, this is the fifth coefficient of your new 7-degree polynomial equation. Just calculation. Okay, you will automatically notice that S4 is going to be equal to S3, is going to be equal to S1, is going to be equal to S0, which is equal to 0, except S2 is 7 raised to the power 4. Okay. Now, learners, we need also to find S5, okay, the sixth coefficient of your new 7-degree polynomial equation. To continue finding it, you should put k equals 6, okay, in the discriminant formula of Murad, Sultan, Ezouidi, the Tunisian, mathematical researcher, okay, and after, let's say, substituting, okay, it's time, it's a chance for you to apply this formula that will help you to find the coefficient of your new 7-degree equation and then continue solving. Okay. Sometimes when we calculate the coefficient of any nth degree equation, you will obtain coefficients that are different to zero, except a 0 for r 0. Therefore, to continue solving, you should extend use the power of your equation, okay? And then we find another relationship that will help you doing this. And this one in level B. Now you are here learners, professors, teachers, or colleagues. You are in level A. Okay, you are learning from you. Learning from you. How can you use this discrete formula of Murad Sultan Ezouidi? Will help you to know and to understand the behavior of the roots of this nth degree from the equation and the x roots of the new nth new degree from the equation. And then we will make conclusion, okay, how it works, okay. And let's say this one, we can, it's a stack. It's like very difficult, okay, to work through it, okay. But with Mr. Multiple, we will never face problems. I'm here to tell you that you can learn from you, and get ready for solving the, let's say, polynomial, okay, using the discrete formula of okay. Now that substitution will receive as 6, and the last one, because we reach highest power is 7, so n minus 1 minus 7 minus 1 is 6. You get, or you reach now the uh, seventh coefficient of your seventh degree polynomial. After that, we are going to conclude the roots of this and make the relationship that you already learn from me how can you use so that you can solve this problem. 7. Okay. Now learners will calculate as 6. This calculation here easy calculator as Mr. Murad Sultan is using. Okay. And you will get the result equal to 0. Therefore, learners, in order uh, to rearrange this coefficient as minus 1, and I would like as minus 1. Okay. Except here, except, okay, I will do here, except what? Except s minus 1, go there. Okay, minus 1 is equal to 1 by convention, this one, equal 1, and what? And S2 for the R is 7, 8, and 14. Therefore, this is your Newtonian equation has to be written as that. Okay, now just substitution, we will obtain the x3 is 0 and x2 minus 2 of r is 0, therefore x4 is 0 there, meaning that x subscript k for 0 to 3 is 0. Therefore, the roots, the first four roots are equal and has, let's say, an order, has, let's say, 4 as order multiplicity. Now we just do this 14 plus 0 over 7 equals 2. Okay. Now the next one, x cubed minus s squared over I equals 0, therefore x cubed equals 2. Let's do it 343. Just substitution here, those you will get the three other solution, which is uh, 2 plus exponential 2 k I pi over 3, simply because you see this is x cubed equals this. Therefore, xk is the root of this. Plus 2 exponential 2k I pi over 3. Plus 2 is 340. Okay. Cube of 343 is 7. Exponential 2k I pi over 3. Now the roots of this is a 042 plus the x roots xk, x subscript k from 0 to 1, 2 over 7. So 14 plus what? Plus 7 exponential 2k I pi over 3, all divided by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 7 divided by 7 is 1 times what times exponential 2k I pi. Now we call this uses root, and also there is another big root which is a 3. Okay, means 2, it's a root that has 4 as order of multiplicity, and 3 is another big root, and the other are complexes. Okay, thank you for listening, and see you inshallah next time. I will just save this one. Okay, if you want to, I will ask, for example, algebra, what is the answer of this? Tell you, sorry, I can do this one. Okay, let's run it there. Okay, or he will use theorem factor, means he will guess. Okay, he will guess. Okay, by plus negative 1, plus negative 2, and so on. Okay, now let's check this one, plus this one. Okay, is that comes here learners. I'll make GeoGebra or something like that. GeoGebra, 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 the one that you used to work with. And let's ask this question. Okay, plus plus 1. Okay, this is the equation. Ah, yeah, I have equation like that. Okay, we go. Oh, please check your input. Ah, my God. I'm going to check my input. Okay, this is PRI. I will tell him, please. Okay, he can't or he cannot even make the draw or the graph of this function or sketch on that. Okay, so there is this one. Okay, you see here, I will try to, okay, I will make here solve. Okay, there is no. Okay, he did nothing there. Okay, and also he didn't give me the roots of this 70 equation. So two equal two is the root, three is the root, and another two plus two. Okay, he can do it. Okay, so focus on this. Let's go to another method. I will make math ways. Wow, math ways. Always he will tell you, do you have a problem? Okay, yes, math way, algebra, problem solver. These the engineers are working or were working on it to find any solution. How can I help you? Can you solve this? For example, I'll give him x minus 2 equal 9, for example. I will tell him, please solve. Look what I will do. Of course, solve. This is equal, okay? Equal, Mr. Murad, 9. I will tell him, please solve. You see this one? Okay, what happened? Move all terms not containing, let's say, x, meaning he will isolate x, so I can use the x equal 10. Okay, look now. Oh my god. Can you gaze at this? Can you gaze at this? Look, of course I'm going to solve it. Okay, you see? Because the 0.096765357 is a root, and this is a mistake. Okay, it's not okay. So now, learners, let's check now review. Okay, you see here, this one is gonna be not only this. Okay, that is this. This is raised to the power 5, like that. Okay, like that. Solve for x. Okay, I'm unable to solve this problem. As you are unable to solve this problem, look at Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi. How can solve this? Scientific calculation. Calculator. May we use this? This one. Scientific method. I will use this calculator in front of you so that you can see. Okay. Okay. So degree exponent. Okay, 1 cent, percent calculator. Scientific. Okay. This is no need. Okay. I will try to open here. Scientific. Scientific calculator. 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 Okay. Let's now, Mr. Marx really, how can you use this? So, what is the first example? X raised to the power 7 minus 14x. Okay, I will do it here. We told that 2 is a root. According to Mr. Marx, of course. What is the exponent? 7 to the power 7. Okay. So, yes, now to the power 7. Okay, minus 14 x raised to minus 2 multiply by 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, then comes here, we call okay, minus 281 x4 minus 281 minus 281 multiply by 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. 5. Sorry. Okay. We call this one. What is it? This is not ways. Okay. Yes, 4 or 5. Here 5. 84. 84 comes here and make plus 84. This is okay. We'll do it here. No problem. Plus. Okay. Plus 84 times 2 to the power 5. Okay, to the power 5. Correct. Okay, let's check here. Disable not. So again, okay. Now minus 281 minus 281 minus 281 multiply by 2 raised to the power 4. Raised is for that to the power 4. Okay. Then after that I will obtain minus 3128 minus 3000 minus 3128 times what? Minus 2 times 2. Okay, raised to the power what? This is 4, this is going to be 3. Then the next, okay, 2, 3. Okay, now plus 4,680 plus 4,680 plus 4,680 like that times 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. I will write the equation as it is. Okay. That is equal. Okay. Then plus 23,328 times x plus 23,328 times what? Times 2 raised to the power 1 times 2. Okay. Times 2 like that minus 3,000, 37,776 minus I told 37,000 like that. Yes. Okay, like that also in the equation. Yes. Minus 3776. Okay, all right. This one plus I will cancel. Oh no, 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 now. I'll come here. Okay, what is there? Sorry. Minus we call 37776. Okay. Yes. Okay. This one equal here we see the same Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, the mathematical teacher. Okay. Now he's solving and 20-degree equation. Even McWays can find the solution. But Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi, these two comes from where? Comes here. You see, comes from the here when we summarize we call that is x equal to but the rule that has a 4 as an order of multiplicity. You see this one? Okay. You see this too? Okay. Also 3 is a solution, okay, because 2 plus exponential 0 which is 1, so another element. Okay. This is Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi, the Tunisian mathematical researcher. So you see here this is we use a calculator and we use our method, okay, we obtain the season first okay, and McWays called that I'm enabled to solve this problem. This is your mathematical teacher. This is the Tunisian researcher Murad Sultan Ezouidi. I didn't, let's say, take my chance in Tunisia, okay, and the Ministry of Education of Sultan Oman make me, let's say, feel that I am the pioneer method. And thank you for this. I'm thanking the Ministry of Education of Sultan Oman, okay, because it gave me chance, okay, to my researches, not the Tunisian universities that they told me you can't, let's say, make your magister, okay, your master, okay, simply because they want to take my research, okay, but alhamdulillah, I got my own and I did my best. Thank you a lot and goodbye. This is your mathematical teacher, Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Mathway is called I'm unable to solve this problem. Even GeoGebra, he can solve this. Okay, thank you for listening and see you inshallah next time. Goodbye. I'm ending the stream now. I will stop sharing. Okay. So thank you again and goodbye. I love you so much.